Do you want to take your AI coding skills to the next level? Well, I have just the video for you. In this one, you will learn the importance of and how to use AI decision trees in Unreal Engine 5 to make a wandering AI. This will be the start of our advanced AI tutorial series. The first thing we need to do is create a new folder in the content browser and call it AI. Next, make another folder called Enemy. Then we will right-click to make a new blueprint class and select character. Then name it BP_enemy. Then open it up. Next, in the viewport, select Mesh. Then in the Details panel, change the mesh to SKM_Quinn. Then for anim class, select ABP_Quinn. Then under the character movement component, in the Details panel, search for Use acceleration for paths and turn it on. Finally, click compile and save. Close it. Now that we have our AI actor, we need a controller. To do that, we'll right click and select blueprint class. Now we need to find an AI controller. To do that, under all classes, search for AI controller. Then name it AI_enemy. Now we will right click and under AI select behavior tree. Name it BT_enemy. We will also need a blackboard. To get one, right click, then go to new and under AI select blackboard and name it BB_enemy. Now we should have 4 things in our enemy folder: a blackboard, an actor, an AI controller, and a behavior tree. Now that we have that, we need to tell the actor to use the AI controller. To do that, open up the actor, then under components, click on BP_enemy self component. Then in the details panel, under pawn, you will see an AI controller class. Set it to AI enemy. Now compile, save, and close it. Then open the AI enemy blueprint. Go to the event graph, drag out a run behavior tree node from the event begin play. Then, from the drop-down, select the behavior tree, then compile and close it. Finally, we need to go to the main map, and in the Place Actors tab, we need to search for and drag out a nav mesh bounds volume and size it to fit the level. Now we can open the behavior tree, and it should have the blackboard assigned automatically. If not, select it from the drop-down now. The root is the most important part of your decision tree. It is the main node and everything needs to connect to it. Events will execute from left to right in the tree. First, from the root, drag out a selector followed by 2 sequences. The reason we do this is because the root can only have one thing come out of it, while a selector, as the name implies, lets you select between multiple paths. A sequence will play whatever comes out of it from left to right until it fails or succeeds, and when it does, it'll go back up to the selector. This episode will just be covering the wander setup so we can remove the second sequence. If you want to see the next episode where I will be implementing the chasing and catching system, then please subscribe and ring the bell. It's free and only takes a second. The first thing we need to do for the wander is to make a new task to find a place to go. In order to do that, you just need to press the new task at the top bar and name it BTT Wander and hit save. It'll open up in a normal event graph. Each task must have 2 things: an execute event that is called whenever it starts, and a finish event that tells the behavior tree if it succeeded or not. For now, we will just set the success variable in it to true by clicking the box. Now we need to find a point to wander to. To do that, we'll right click and search for the get random reachable point and radius node. Then, for origin, drag out from the controlled pawn pin and search for a get actor location node. Next, for radius, I'll set it to 1500. Now that we have a point, we need to share it with our blackboard. The way we do that is by going back to the behavior tree, then select the Blackboard tab, and then under New Key, select Vector, Target Location, then click Save. Now, back in the BTT Wander, click the plus next to Variables, then name it Vector. Then set the type to Blackboard Key Selector. Next, drag it out, and from it, search for a set blackboard value as vector node, then connect it to the random location pin and hook up the execute path. The thing we need to do is set the variable we made to public, then save and compile. Now, back in the behavior tree, we can drag out from the sequence and add the BTT wander task. Next, in the Details panel, set the vector to our target location vector. Next, search for a Move To task and set its Blackboard key to the target location vector. Finally, drag out a wait and set the time to 2 seconds. Then save and close. Finally, finish by dragging out a BP enemy to the level and press play, and you should see it roaming around. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more like it, please subscribe and ring the bell. This way you can stay up to date on all of my Unreal Engine 5 videos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or in my Discord server. Next episode we will be making the chasing and catching system. If you'd like to financially support me, you could support me on Patreon to get early access to my videos and other perks. Have a great day and bye for now.